Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how the player gets die when he falls out of the screen. Let's get started. Click on level 1. Then right click and click on Add Child Node. Search for Area 2D and double click on it. Now right click on Area 2D, then click again on Add Child Node. Now search for Collision Shape 2D and double click on it. Go to Inspector. At Shape. Click on this small arrow. And now click on New Rectangle Shape 2D. Go to the coordinate x0, y0. And enlarge the area 2D by clicking on one of these points. Like this. Then place your area 2D where you want. Double click on area 2D and rename it to, let's say, downfall area. Next we need to set the collisions. Go to Project. Then click on Project Settings. Here at General. Scroll down at Layer Names. Click on 2D Physics. Choose a free layer place and name it, let's say, Downfall. Then click on Close. Now save your program, press Ctrl and S on your keyboard. Click on Downfall Area. Go to Inspector. Then click on Collision. At Layer, click on these three dots. Here we specify that downfall area is the downfall area by checking the downfall box. And remove the check mark here at Tile Map. Now go to Mask and click on the three dots. Here you say with whom downfall area should react. So, we have to click on Player and uncheck Tile Map. Now add a script to downfall area by clicking on this symbol. At Template select Empty. And click on Create. Click Downfall Area. Then go to Node here. And double click on Body entered. Click here on Downfall Area, then click on Connect. We now have this function in our downfall area script. Delete pass and enter this line. As soon as something comes in contact with the downfall area, the game over scene will be triggered. If you haven't programmed a game over scene yet, then you still have to do that. Have a look at my video, Player Dead in Game Over Screen. There I explain it from scratch. Now start the program. Okay, this works. As soon as the player comes into contact with downfall area, the game over scene is triggered. Now let's add an image to the downfall area. Click on Downfall Area. Then right click, now click on Add Child Node. Search for Sprite and double click on it. Go to File System. And click on your Assets folder. Now go to your desktop and drag and drop your image into the Assets folder. Open your Assets folder. Choose your image. Now drag and drop it in the texture field here. Move your image to the downfall area and adjust it to the size of the downfall area. Like this. Start the program. Great. It works. But I think it would look better if the game over scene is called after the player has completely dived into the image. To do this, we simply need to place the collision shape a little lower. The collision shape is covered by the image, let's bring the collision shape into the foreground. So we can see it better. Use drag and drop to move the collision shape to downfill area. Like this. Now set the collision shape a bit lower than the image. Start the program. Perfect. That's it for today. I